Vertical blinds are a great way to precisely control the amount of light coming into a room. Their clean straight lines give any length of window a beautiful and stylish visual feature. Infinitely controllable and effortlessly beautiful, vertical blinds are perfect for rooms that have light levels that will change dramatically throughout the day. These blinds have both an open and closed state, as well as a controllable angle of rotation to any vane. This makes controlling both the amount and direction of light coming into a room far more precise. Vertical blinds are available in a huge range of textures, colours and fabrics, and all perfectly tailored to fit your window. Whether you're looking for a neutral, functional blind, or perhaps something a little more stylish to add a creative feature to your room. These blinds are reliable, hard-wearing and easy to clean, making them perfect for your home. In fact, we're so proud of our blinds, they come to you with a 3-year guarantee as standard. All of our blinds come supplied with every mounting bracket you'll need and are child safe by design. They're also tested to meet the strict regulations as laid down in the British and European safety standards. All you have to supply are the screws and wall plugs suitable for the surface that you're going to attach your blind to. When you've selected the style of blind you want, don't forget to watch our measuring and fitting videos to help you with ordering and fitting your brand new blind.